Good evening, my fellow infected psychopaths. Today, I'll be injecting you with the insanity that is my voice. Let's get started. Okay, so normally this is a part video where I make a skit full of the funny, then move to the shooty bits and woods. But this video is different. It was supposed to be different. Let me explain. Picture it. Sicily, 19... Oh, wait, hold on. Wait a sec. Wrong script. Here we are. So picture it, December, a week before Christmas. A psychopath that goes name of Biohazard Madness. Going through the airport to do some dealings up in the northern part of the US. And to enjoy the cold, of course. Because as you know, the south is nothing but a hot fart in face weather-wise. But anyways, back to the story. I brought some melee weapons and a nice foldable Lego rifle tucked away in my brown suitcase. I got checked, boarded, onto a plane. I suspected nothing whatsoever. Did I mention I also packed the camera to film a video? That's right, I wanted to make a vid because I knew it was going to be winter up in north, and I figured, hey, I can make a snowman and shoot the shit out of it with my Lego weapons. And maybe use my melee weapon to stab and slice it, but the TSA or whoever job it is to move my luggage around was like...
Hey guys, look what I found. I found this camera. Let's play kickball with it. It makes a funny noise when it hits the wall.
So, my fellow infected psychopaths, it was safe to say I was quite surprised to find my camera broken. But, as annoying as it was, the camera surprisingly worked still. But still, I wasn't going to film, mostly because I didn't want to damage it more than it already was. So, I had to wait until I got home to fix it. So this video is kind of a late one, to say the least. But with my little tale done with, enjoy the video.
I told my friends I don't agree. The things you say, they wear me down slowly. It's in my head, it's poisoning. I need to know where you got this feeling. I see the look, it's in your eyes. You disagree, and it is no surprise. Your head is full, it's full of lies. It's all you see when you're living on the outside. You're tempting vain, without the urge to escape. Just going through the motions instead of getting out your way. You wanna say what you believe. You raise your voice and try to convince me. Told you before to take a hint. It's all a game and you will not play me. I'm wondering how we've gotten here. We're all selfish and nothing will change. You're tempting vain without the urge to escape. Just going through the motions instead of getting our own way. I told my friends I don't agree. The things you say, they wear me down slowly. It's in my head, it's poisoning. I need to know where you got this feeling. I see the look, it's in your eyes. You disagree, and it is no.
This, my fellow infected psychopaths, is the new rifle that I like to call Foldable Stealth. When you want to carry something light but deadly to battle. The inspiration for this gun is actually interesting. You see, occasionally I like to look at real-life firearms. You kinda get inspired when it comes to designing new Lego guns or new Lego gun mechanisms. There was one real-life firearm mechanism that actually caught my eye. I saw this cool foldable rifle. I was so intrigued by the design, I thought I just had to build one for myself. So I did. The mechanism of this weapon is both unique and ordinary. Let me explain. The mechanism uses the same sling mechanism that my FOXHAUNT rifle uses. Basically, it's a bolt that's able to pull a sling, aka rubber band, back. The projectile will be pushed in front of the sling. The trigger will block the projectile path. The sling will want to push the projectile forward, firing the gun, but it can't due to the trigger blocking its path. When the trigger is pulled, it releases the projectile firing the gun. Like the FOXHAUNT was a magazine-fed rifle, and I did saw about making the foldable rifle a magazine-fed, just like my other guns. I decided to go with a single shot, mostly because it'll be easier and save me time. However, this turns out to be a challenge that I did not expect. You see, I had to figure out how to make the bolt that pulls the sling back stay stationary at a certain point so I can load a new projectile in when I want to fire the gun. To accomplish this, I use an L-shaped lift arm. The bolt is designed so at a certain point when the bolt is moved back, a rubber band tied to the L-shaped lift arm will be tilted, blocking the bolt from moving forward. That way I can load a new projectile without needing to hold the bolt back. With the L shape is lifted back in its original position, the bolt will be free to move forward. While this weapon is really fun to use, it's more of a stealth weapon. Not really a weapon you want when you're surrounded in battle. Mostly because if you're fumbling around trying to load a new round, when you miss your first shot, you're gonna get shot. That's why it's better to use the FOXHAUNT rifle, since you got a full magazine to spend. But nevertheless, the weapon is pretty good for what it was designed for, and that design is to have a rifle that's light and portable, and it's pretty medium range when it comes to power. Not as powerful as my FOXHAUNT rifle, but still pretty good.
It's all a game, and you will not play me. I'm wondering how we've gotten here. We're all selfish, and nothing will change. Your attempts in vain. We play on the edge to escape, just going through the motions instead of getting our own way. The words you speak are echoed when you're asleep. You still think I'm listening, but we're just falling apart.
And that's all the time we have today for this class of Arsenal. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also hit or shoot the notification bell. Also be sure to check out my other videos as well. Until next time, see you later, you psychopaths.
Your steps in fade. We play on the edge to escape, just going through the motions instead of getting